Hello children, hope all of you are keeping safe. Let us study the subject science today. Lesson number 1 of science is types of plants. Let us look at the introduction. There are many types of plants around us. हमारे चारों तरफ बहुत सारे तरह के पेड़ पौधे हमें देखने को मिलता है. The classification of plants on the basis of the sizes and shapes are as follows. Plants के size और shape के बिना पर उसके classification को हम इस प्रकार करते हैं. The first one is tree, यानी कि पेड़. The second one is shrub, यानी कि झाड़ियाँ. The third one is herbs, यानी कि जड़ी बूटियाँ. Fourth one is the climbers. ये ऐसे पौधे हैं जो सहारे के साथ ऊपर चढ़ जाते हैं, इसीलिए इन्हें climbers कहते हैं. Then we have the creepers. ये ऐसे पौधे हैं जो जमीन पर ही फैलने लगते हैं और इसीलिए इन्हें creepers कहते हैं. Let us look at these classifications one by one. The first one is trees. What are trees? Big, tall and strong plants are called trees. पेड़ यानी बहुत ऊंचे और बहुत मजबूत पौधे जो होते हैं उन्हें trees कहते हैं. They live for many years. They have hard, thick and woody stem called trunk. Trees का जो stem होता है या उसका तना होता है उसे हम trunk कहते हैं. Tree trunk has a thick brown covering called bark. और इस बड़े मजबूत से तने में या फिर trunk पर जो परत लगी हुई होती है उसे हम bark कहते हैं. Examples are peepal tree, coconut tree, mango tree, etc. So here is a peepal tree, and then we have the coconut tree, और फिर ये देखो mango tree. Now let us look at the second classification, shrubs, यानी कि झाड़ियाँ. They are also called bushes. They are smaller than trees. पेड़ से या trees से shrubs छोटे होते हैं. They have hard and woody stems with many branches. उनके जो stems होते हैं वो बहुत hard होते हैं और woody होते हैं, बहुत सख्त होते हैं और उसमें बहुत सारी शाखाएं भी होती हैं. They also live for many years. झाड़ियाँ जो है वो भी बहुत सालों तक जिंदा रहती है. Examples: cotton plant, rose plant, bougainvillea, etc. So here we have the picture of the cotton plant, and there comes jumping the rose plant, and we have the bougainvillea. Now let us look at the herbs. Jadi butiyan. They are very small plants. They have soft and green stems. They can be easily grown in the kitchen garden. Examples of them are mint, coriander, basil, fenugreek. Now let us look at the creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. ऐसे पौधे जो जमीन पर बिछे हुए होते हैं उन्हें creepers कहते हैं. They have very weak stems. Examples are muskmelon, watermelon, pumpkin, etc. There comes the muskmelon. and then we have the pumpkin, and then the watermelon. Parts of plant. Plant has many parts. एक पौधे के बहुत सारे भाग होते हैं. Look at this picture. This picture tells you about the various parts of the plant. We have the roots, and then we have the stem, we have the leaf, we have fruits, we have branches, we have flowers, and then we have birds. So roots, the underground part, they give support to the plant and absorb water and mineral from the soil. Roots जो है वो जमीन के नीचे वाला भाग है पौधे का, जो पौधे को सपोर्ट देता है और सारे वाटर और मिनरल को सॉइल में से एब्जॉर्ब करता है. स्टेम, द पार्ट विच ग्रोज अबव द ग्राउंड, वो भाग जो जमीन के ऊपरी सतह पर बढ़ता है उसे स्टेम कहते हैं. दे ग्रो ऑन इट्स ब्रांचेस, लीव्स, फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स. इस स्टेम्स पर ही हम देखते हैं शाखाएं होती है, ब्रांचेस होती है, लीव्स पत्ते होते हैं, फ्लावर्स यानी फूल होते हैं और फल भी इन्हीं पर होते हैं. दे कैरी फूड एंड वाटर टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. लीव्स which are green in color and make food for the plant. पत्ते जो हरे रंग के होते हैं और उसी में उस पौधे के लिए भोजन तैयार होता है. Flower is a colorful part of the plant. रंग बिरंगी पार्ट जो होता है किसी भी पौधे का उसे हम फ्लावर कहते हैं. Fruits are juicy or fleshy part of the plant. फ्रूट्स यानी फल में जूस होता है. ऐसी चीजों को, ऐसे भाग को हम फ्रूट्स कहते हैं. सीड्स आर मोस्टली फाउंड इनसाइड द फ्रूट. बीज जो होता है वो फल के भीतर में होता है. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द फूड मेकिंग इन प्लांट्स. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. Water and minerals are absorbed by the root with the help of the sunlight. The leaves produce food and it takes in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Green leaves of a plant make food with the help of air, sunlight and water. The stem carries this food from leaves to all other parts of the plant. Food which is not used by the plant is stored in roots, stems, fruits, flowers and seeds. Stem जो है वो पत्तों में बनाए गए भोजन को पौधे के सारे भागों में पहुंचाता है और जो भोजन बच जाता है वो रूट्स में, स्टेम्स में, फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर्स और सीड्स में बचाकर रख लिया जाता है. Now let us look at some points to remember in conclusion. Plants are of different sizes and shapes. Big grown-up plants are called trees. Shrubs have thin and hard stems. Very small plants with soft stems are herbs. Climbers have weak stems and they climb on other trees. Creepers grow along the ground. A plant has many parts like root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seed. Now let us look at tick the correct answers. The first one is people is a herb, shrub or tree? What do you think? People is a tree. The second is money plant is a herb, climber or creeper. Money plant obviously is a climber. So the option B, climber. A rose plant is a herb, shrub or a tree. The rose plant is a shrub. So the option B, shrub. Fourth one, which of the following is not a creeper? Pumpkin, it is a creeper. Muskmelon, it is a creeper. Mint, it is not a creeper. It is a herb. Write true for true, right? And F for false statements. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. True. Trees stand straight without any support. True. Herbs have a thick and hard stem. False. Creepers need support to stand. False. Green leaves make fruit for plants. True. Now children, question and answer. What are trees? Give any two examples. Big grown-up plants are called trees. Examples are a mango tree, a coconut tree, etc. Why do climbers need support to climb up? Climbers need support to climb up because they have thin and weak stem. What are creepers? Creepers are plants that grow along the ground. Creepers are plants that grow along the ground. Which part of the plant makes food? The part of the plant which makes food are the leaves. पत्तों में प्लांट के लिए भोजन तैयार होता है. Homework. Tick the correct answers, true or false, and question answers in your notebook neatly. Learn and memorize the question and answers. For better understanding, if possible, watch the YouTube video on types of plants in the link which is given below. Okay children, that's all for now. I hope you will take care of yourself. So goodbye and stay safe.